Did you know there's only one animal that can survive completely naked in the vacuum of space? They're called tardigrades, or water bears, and they're microscopic creatures with supernatural powers. These tiny beings can survive temperatures from near absolute zero to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They can withstand radiation 1,000 times stronger than what would kill a human instantly. But here's the most mind-bending part. They can live without water for decades by essentially dying and coming back to life. When conditions get harsh, they shrivel up, shut down completely, then resurrect themselves when things improve. These indestructible creatures have survived all 5 mass extinction events on Earth. While dinosaurs died out, water bears just kept going. And right now, they're living on the moon. In 2019, thousands of them crash-landed there during a failed mission. They might be the first Earth creatures to actually colonize another world. These microscopic survivors could outlast us all.